In today's video, we are going to show you how to block someone on Vinted. Now, if you are dealing with spam, unwanted messages, or just someone you'd rather not interact with, you are in the right place. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is make sure you are logged in into your account and go to the user's profile. For example, we are choosing one product and you wanted to block this specific seller. Okay? Now, all I have to do is super simple. I want you to scroll down until you find the username, which is this one. Okay? Or if you want, you can type in their username, which is going to be Rebelly9. Make sure you are on the members, okay, because that will forward you to the user itself. I want you to click on it once you find it. Now, for you to be able to block this specific user or seller, all I have to do is super simple. Click the three dots option here where it says block, because this will open a new menu, and all I have to do is click the block option. Okay, now Vinted will ask you to confirm. Okay, you want to make sure to read and understand. Go ahead and confirm the action, and basically that's it for today's video. The user or seller is now blocked. Now, what happens when you block someone? Basically, they can't message you, they can't buy from you, they won't see your items, and they won't see their listings or messages. It's completely private and they won't be notified. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.